Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the BELLAVITA date night gift item for women, a gorgeous makeup kit that's perfect for a romantic evening or as a thoughtful gift. This set comes with a 20 ml date perfume, 2 mini liquid lipsticks, a Kajal, and an eyeliner, all packed in a cute box, ready to elevate your date night game. Let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the date perfume. It's a 20 ml bottle with a romantic floral scent that's got pink pepper and red fruit notes. I sprayed it on my wrists and neck, and oh my gosh, it's so captivating. Subtle yet bold, with a sweet vanilla finish that lasts for hours. It's perfect for setting that flirty mood. Next, the 2 mini liquid lipsticks. You get Wine Stain, a rich burgundy, and Just Nude, a perfect brown nude. I tried Wine Stain first, and it's creamy matte and kiss-proof. I swatched it, and it didn't budge even after a sip of water. Just Nude is great for a softer look. Both are long-lasting and feel light on my lips. Then the Intense Drama Black Kajal. It's super creamy and jet black, gliding on my waterline effortlessly. I wore it for hours and no smudging. It gives my eyes that bold definition I love for date night. Finally, the Intense Drama Black Eyeliner. It's got a fine tip for precision, and the black is so deep it's stunning. I drew a wing, and it dried fast with no flaking, plus it's smudge-proof, which is a must for a night out. This kit is a total vibe. Everything's travel-friendly, and the quality feels luxe for the price. It's ideal for beginners or anyone wanting a quick glam up for a special evening. The only tiny downside, the lipsticks could come in bigger sizes, but honestly, these minis are adorable. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full date night look with this set. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this BELLAVITA kit.